Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that's been puzzling many Android enthusiasts out there: compiling a custom kernel for the Redmi Note 11 Pro 4G, also known as Viva. If you're an advanced user looking to take your device to the next level, or simply curious about the process, this video is for you. Compiling a custom kernel can be a daunting task, but with the right guidance, it's achievable even for those new to the world of Android development. In this video, we'll break down the steps involved in compiling a kernel for your Redmi Note 11 Pro 4G. We'll discuss what makes this process unique and provide you with a solid understanding of the concepts behind kernel compilation. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of how to approach this project and be better equipped to tackle it yourself. So, why compile a custom kernel in the first place? Well, there are several reasons. For starters, having a custom kernel can allow for better performance optimization, tailored specifically to your device's hardware. It also gives you the ability to enable or disable specific features at a low level, which isn't possible with stock kernel. Plus, it's a great way to learn about Android internals and development. Now, let's dive into the process itself. Compiling a kernel involves several key steps. First, you'll need to obtain the necessary tools and software, including the Android SDK and NDK, as well as a cross-compiler that matches your device's architecture. For Viva, that means an ARM64 compiler. Next, you'll need to download or clone the kernel source code for your device. This is usually available through GitHub repositories maintained by developers who have worked on custom kernels for your specific model. Once you have the source code, you can begin configuring it for your build environment and making any necessary modifications based on your goals for the custom kernel. After that, you'll need to compile the kernel itself, which involves running a series of commands through the terminal or command prompt. This is where patience comes into play, because compiling can take some time, depending on your computer's specifications. Well, finally, once the compilation is complete, you have to flash the new kernel onto your device. This step requires a recovery mode, such as perp, and involves loading the compiled kernel image through the recovery interface. To summarize, compiling a custom kernel for your Redmi Note 11 Pro 4G involves several steps: setting up your build environment, configuring and modifying the kernel source code, compiling the kernel, and finally flashing it onto your device. It's crucial to have patience and be meticulous during this process. Some key points to remember include ensuring you're using the correct compiler for your device's architecture, and being careful with any modifications you make to the kernel source code, as these can significantly impact the stability and performance of your device. And that's it. Well, compiling a custom kernel is a challenging but rewarding process that offers deep customization possibilities. If you have questions or need further clarification on any step, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. Your engagement helps us create more content tailored to your needs. If this video has been helpful, and you'd like to see more tutorials, guides, and discussions around Android development and custom kernels, hit that like button and consider subscribing for future videos. We're always looking to explore new topics and projects, so suggestions are also welcome. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.